This 2022 Jayco North Point 382 FLRB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Ringgold, Virginia, 24586 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Danville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features a modern farmhouse interior, sleeps 6, slide-out, water heater, oven, TV antenna, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, external shower, LP detector, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Jayco North Point 382 FLRB is 14,740 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.